Hello students, welcome you all. Let us start a new lesson today. What is your favorite food item? The list may include laddu, biryani, idli sambar, pulihora, cheese, chocolates, biscuits, ice creams, cakes, pizza, dal, brinjal curry, and so on. How are these foods prepared? These foods are prepared using different ingredients. Can you answer what ingredients they contain? Generally, we are interested in eating a variety of food, but do not know the ingredients needed to prepare the food. We take food for energy and health. Not only eating food, but also knowing the information about the ingredients needed for preparing food and their sources is also important. So, we are here to learn about the topic of food variety and food ingredients from class 6 science. Learning outcomes. After studying this topic, you will be able to know ingredients needed to prepare foods, food sources, types of animals based on the foods they eat, keywords, foods, ingredients, nutrients, food sources, condiments, herbivores, carnivores, omnivores. Let's see the nutrition in plants and animals in this concept map. We eat different types of foods daily, but some foods items like rice, dal, and vegetables are common in the menu in large parts of Telangana and Andhra. Rice is consumed mostly in South India and mostly roti in North India. Every day, we eat different types of food from morning to night. On special occasions like festivals and marriages, we eat a larger variety of food. Prepare a list of foods you eat every day and compare it with the list prepared by your friends. Food ingredients. To cook rice, we need only rice and water. We generally plan to eat special foods like biryani on Sunday. Many things are needed to prepare the food like biryani. The list includes rice, salt, jeera, tomato, potato, onion, etc. To make biryani, we use different types of ingredients such as elaichi, cardamom, cloves, cinnamon, biryani leaves, pepper, etc. They are called condiments, fragrant material. To make kheer, dry fruits like cashew nuts, almonds, raisins, dried grapes are used. These condiments and dry fruits grow in particular places only. They are not available in large quantities and are expensive. To make different kinds of food, we need various materials. These materials which are required to prepare food are known as ingredients. The packed food, items like biscuit or any cool drink contain the ingredients written on their packets. In most foods, these ingredients contain some components that are needed by our body called nutrients. Do you know from where we get these ingredients? We get grains, cereals, fruits, and vegetables from plants. Foods like eggs, meat, and milk are obtained from animals. Cows, goats, and buffaloes are some common animals that give us milk. Milk and milk products like butter, cream, cheese, and curd are used all over the world. Plant parts used as food. Plants are one source of our food. We eat many leafy vegetables. For example, palak or spinach, amaranthus, methi, sorrel, coriander, mint leaves, etc. are used as food. We eat fruits of some plants and examples are apples, oranges, bananas, mangoes, jackfruit, strawberries, etc. Sometimes plant roots, stems, and even flowers are used as food. The plant roots used as food include carrots, beetroots, radish, turnips, sweet potatoes, etc. The stems used as food include potatoes, knoll khol, lotus stems, banana stems, etc. The flowers used as vegetables include cauliflower, broccoli, etc. Some plants have two or more edible, eatable parts. Seeds of mustard plant give us oil and the leaves are used as a vegetable. Similarly, banana flowers, stems, and fruits are edible. All grains, including cereals and pulses, we consume are the seeds of the plants. Examples: rice, wheat, corn, red gram, green gram, black gram, chana dal, soya beans, etc. We get oils from seeds like groundnuts, mustard, sunflower, sesame seeds, etc. We obtain honey from a beehive. Bees collect nectar, sweet juices from flowers, convert it into honey, and store it in their hive. Flowers and their nectar may be available only for a part of the year. So, bees store this nectar for their use throughout the year. When we find such a beehive, we collect the food the bees store as a honey. What do animals eat? Animals like cow, buffaloes, goats, and sheep are cattle. These animals eat grass, grains, and hay. Pet animals like dogs and cats eat meat and milk. The birds eat grains and insects. The squirrels eat fruits and nuts. The lizards and frogs eat insects. Insects eat plant leaves or other small insects. So, based on the type of food they eat, the animals are different types. The animals that eat only plants are called herbivores. Example, cattle. The animals that eat other animals are called carnivores. Example, tiger, lion, cat, wolf, etc. The animals that eat both plants and animals are called omnivores. Example, dogs, bears, rats, squirrels, humans, etc. Points to remember: we get food from plants and animals. For cooking food, we need different types of ingredients. We use different parts of plants like stems, roots, leaves, fruits, and flowers as food. Animals that eat only plants are called herbivores. Animals that eat only animals are called carnivores. Animals that eat both plants and other animals are called omnivores.